and welcome to the 9th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah and I'm going to be your host. Today we're going to talk about a new product that we're carrying here at Frontline. We actually use it in our shop and it's something we have available for our customers. It's the EPA approved Ramosol spray. Now this is a disinfectant that works against bacteria, viruses, and fungus. So when you're in your vehicle, you can change hands, let somebody else use it or service it. Just do a quick spray and within 10 minutes it's safe to be back in that vehicle. Now we have a quick video to show you what it's all about.